Hi guys. Okay, so today we're making money card holders. These are so trendy and popular right now, and they're so easy to make. All you have to do is get your design ready. You can design in Canva or Photoshop. Use my templates. The link is below. And now you'll just need some money rolled up, put in a lip balm pouch holder, which you can also purchase on Pink Sugar School. I always like to use my Euro hook hole punch for a little razzle dazzle. And that's it, you guys. I also want to show you that I did another one with the Recollections brand pouch dome holders. And this one is a little bit more complicated, but not complicated at all. You're just going to cut it out. You're going to cut that square out in the middle. Now, the Recollections brand come with adhesive on them already. So you want to peel the front adhesive off, place it underneath your card and press down. And you could actually send it to a customer this way and let them add the money in it. Or you can go ahead and add the money yourself. I added the money and used my Scotch ATG to just add a little adhesive before I close it up. Peeled off the remaining adhesive, close it up, and that's it. Voila. Money card holders. Happy creating, you guys. Can't wait to see yours.